Hi students, welcome back to the chemical kinetics. In this class, let us discuss rate constant or specific rate. Rate constant or specific rate. According to law of mass action, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentrations of reactants at a given particular instant of time. So, consider a reaction A plus B gives rise to products. According to law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to product of the molar concentrations of reactants. Therefore, rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B, where K is the rate constant or specific rate. Where K is rate constant. Rate constant is defined as the rate of reaction of unit concentration of all the reactants. Therefore, if concentration of A is equal to 1 unit and concentration of B is also 1 unit, then rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. Therefore, rate is equal to K into 1 into 1. Therefore, rate is equal to K. So, specific rate or rate constant is a rate of reaction of unit concentration of reactants. Therefore, rate is equal to K. The characteristics of rate constant. Rate constant is a direct measure of rate of reaction. Larger the rate constant value, faster is the reaction, and smaller the rate constant value, slower is the reaction. And rate constant is independent of initial concentration of reactant for a given reaction. Rate constant depends only on temperature. As increasing temperature, rate constant increases, that is, rate of reaction increases. The units of rate constant depends on order of the reaction. Units of rate constant. Units of rate constant mainly depends on order of the reaction. Generally, order is determined experimentally. Let us consider a nth order reaction, that is Na gives rise to products. Then according to law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to molar concentrations of the reactants. Therefore, rate is directly proportional to A power n, where n is the order of the reaction. The rate is equal to K into A power n, where K is the rate constant or specific rate. Therefore, K is equal to rate divided by A power n. What are the units of rate? The units of rate are moles, liter inverse, second inverse. What are the units for concentration? We know very well what are the units of concentration. Moles per liters, that is moles liter inverse. Therefore, we have to substitute the units of concentration, that is moles liter inverse power n. Therefore, mole power 1, liter power minus 1, second inverse divided by mole power n, liter power minus n. Therefore, the units of the rate constant K of nth order reaction is mole power 1 minus n, liter power n minus 1, second inverse. Therefore, units of nth order rate constant Kn is moles power 1 minus n into liter power n minus 1 into second inverse, or moles per liter whole power 1 minus 1 into second inverse. Let us calculate units of different rate constants of different order of reactions. Let us calculate one by one. For zero order reactions, n equal to 0, so we have to substitute n value 0 in the above equation. So units of zero order rate constant K0 is mole into liter inverse power 1 minus 0, that is 1. So moles liter inverse second inverse is the units of zero order rate constant. These are the similar to that of units of rate of reaction. Therefore, units of zero order reaction rate constant K0 is equal to units of rate of reaction. For first order reactions, n equal to 1, you have to substitute the n value 1 in the above equation. Therefore, we get mole liter inverse power 1 minus 1, that is 0. Anything power 0? 1. So, units is second inverse. The units of first order rate constant K1 is exactly units of frequency. So, the units of frequency is exactly equal to the units of first order rate constant. For second order reactions, n equal to 2, so you have to substitute n equal to 2 in the above formula. We get units of rate constant of second order reactions. Therefore, units of second order rate constant K2 is moles liter inverse power 1 minus 2. We get minus 1. Therefore, the final units of the K2 is mole inverse liter second inverse. These are the simplest way to calculate the units of rate constants of different order of the reactions. So, the units of the rate constant mainly depends on order of the reaction.